ever wondered if Clawdbot could fully replace Claude Code? After my recent article on Clawdbot, I received this question over and over. The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. In fact, these two tools are designed for very different purposes, and understanding their unique strengths will help you get the most out of both. Today, we'll break down what makes Clawdbot and Claude Code distinct, how they complement each other, and why you might want to use both in your workflow. Let's dive into the world of AI-powered coding and productivity assistance. Get straight to the point. If you think Clawdbot can replace Claude Code, you probably haven't used both. While they share some similarities, like using Claude as their underlying AI, their core functions are quite different. Claude Code is built for coding, while Clawdbot is designed to handle almost everything else. This distinction is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their workflow with AI tools. So, before you uninstall Claude Code or ignore Clawdbot, let's explore what each tool actually does. The real magic happens when you realize that Clawdbot and Claude Code are not competitors but complements. They both use Claude as their AI brain, but their roles are distinct. Think of it like comparing V's code to Slack. Both are essential, but you wouldn't use Slack to debug code or V's code to coordinate with your team. Each tool shines in its own domain, and together, they can supercharge your productivity. Claude Code is Anthropic's official command line tool for agentic coding. You run it directly in your terminal, pointed at your codebase, and it helps you build, debug, and refactor your projects. It understands your project's structure, can edit multiple files, and even runs commands for you. If you're a developer who wants AI assistance without leaving your coding environment, Claude Code is built just for you. Clawdbot, on the other hand, is an open-source personal assistant created by Peter Steinberger. It runs on your own machine or a VPS and connects to messaging apps you already use, like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, and iMessage. Clawdbot handles everything from research and scheduling to home automation and proactive alerts. It can even do coding tasks, but that's just a small part of its capabilities. The confusion between Clawdbot and Claude Code often arises because both can run shell commands and help with code. However, their architecture and intent are fundamentally different. While both use Claude under the hood, their design philosophies set them apart. Understanding these differences is key to using each tool effectively and avoiding unnecessary overlap. Claude Code lives in your terminal. You launch it, point it at a project, and work within a coding session. When you close the terminal, the session ends. Clawdbot, by contrast, runs as a persistent daemon. It's always available through your messaging apps, whether you're at your desk or on your phone waiting for coffee. This difference in interface and access shapes how you interact with each tool. Claude Code resets each session. It's great at remembering context within a project while you're working, but once you close the terminal, it starts fresh next time. Your codebase provides the continuity, not the tool's memory. Clawdbot, however, maintains persistent memory across days and weeks. It saves conversations, preferences, and context as markdown files, so you can pick up right where you left off. Claude Code is reactive. It waits for you to invoke it, run a command, and it responds. Clawdbot, on the other hand, can be proactive. You can set up a cron job so it messages you with your daily briefing, or configure a webhook to alert you when a GitHub PR needs review. This proactive nature makes Clawdbot an ideal assistant for ongoing tasks and reminders. Claude Code is tightly integrated with Anthropic's Claude model, but it can be extended with routers. It's the official product for coding, powered by Anthropic's models. Clawdbot, however, is model agnostic. You can set it up with Claude, GPT, Gemini, or even local models. If one provider has an outage, just switch to another and keep working. This flexibility is a huge advantage for users who want reliability and choice. Claude Code shines in deep coding sessions. Whether you're refactoring a module, debugging a complex issue, or building a new feature, it understands your entire codebase. It can read multiple files, trace dependencies, and make coordinated changes. Need to rename a function across your project? Claude Code handles it natively. It's also great for generating tests, exploring codebases, and managing Git workflows, all from natural language commands. Clawdbot is your always-on assistant. Message it from your phone while commuting, or get reminders at any hour. It's perfect for proactive tasks like morning briefings, deadline reminders, and price alerts. Clawdbot excels at long-running workflows, such as monitoring projects, following up on emails, and managing tasks over days or weeks. It also handles non-coding automation, from calendar management to home automation and travel booking. One of Clawdbot's standout features is its ability to work across multiple messaging platforms. Whether you use WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, or iMessage, Clawdbot is there for you. This means you can access your assistant from anywhere, on any device, making it incredibly versatile for both personal and professional use. When API limits hit or a provider goes down, Clawdbot's model flexibility shines. You can switch between Claude, GPT, Gemini, or local models with a simple configuration change. This ensures you're never left without AI assistance, no matter what happens behind the scenes. It's a level of reliability that's hard to beat. Absolutely. The most productive developers often run both Clawdbot and Claude Code. Clawdbot handles coordination and monitoring, while Claude Code focuses on execution. For example, you can message Clawdbot from your phone to trigger a Claude Code session remotely. This seamless integration allows you to manage tasks and coding sessions from anywhere. Here's a practical example. An error is detected by Sentry, which triggers Clawdbot. Clawdbot analyzes the error context, then invokes Claude Code to investigate and fix the issue. Once the fix is committed and a pull request is opened, Clawdbot notifies you on WhatsApp with the PR link. This workflow demonstrates the power of combining both tools for seamless error handling and communication. Another integration. Clawdbot runs a cron job at 9 a.m., checks your GitHub PRs, open issues, and calendar, then summarizes what needs attention today. If something urgent comes up, Clawdbot can trigger Claude Code to start working on it. This keeps your workflow organized and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Both Clawdbot and Claude Code can use your Claude subscription. Clawdbot even supports OAuth with Anthropic, making it easy to connect and manage your AI tools securely. This integration ensures you have access to the latest features and updates from Anthropic, no matter which tool you're using. For most developers, Claude Code is the easiest place to start. It integrates naturally into your existing terminal workflows, has official support, and solves immediate pain points in coding. If you're looking for a straightforward way to boost your productivity, give Claude Code a try first. Clawdbot becomes essential when you want more from your AI assistant. If you wish your assistant could message you first, or you want to start coding sessions remotely via messaging apps, Clawdbot is the answer. It's perfect for those who need proactive, cross-platform support and automation beyond just coding. In summary, Claude Code and Clawdbot each have their strengths. Claude Code is your go-to for deep coding sessions, while Clawdbot is the ultimate general assistant for everything else. Using both together unlocks new levels of productivity and flexibility. For more information, check out the official documentation and guides for each tool. Whether you're a developer, AI enthusiast, or just curious, these tools can transform the way you work.